Carpe Diem guest, Safety Diner C2 here, trying to get the best angle for y'all. Yeah, all the videos are going to be starting to upload. I'm going to be trying to get these up ASAP. Yeah, so, anyway, y'all have been wanting these, and here they are. So this is the first one out of the 4 that I got. Let's see, I'm getting, let's see, boom. And, this thing is a pain to get out of, so, let's see, uh-oh, that's not good. Let's see, yeah, so, I am in ROR, obviously. The terrain is Minima. It's a cool, small little map. I've used it a few times before in my videos, but, it's a pretty cool map. Let's see what... Okay, there we go. I think I'm getting somewhere now. There we go. Alright, so, let's go ahead, start off, let's see, hold on, I'm sorry guys, I'm messaging someone right now. Alright, sorry, that was just about scout stuff. So anyway, as you can see, today we are going to be doing the 3800. Yeah, so this is by far one of my favorite buses used in a ROR. It's just good, I guess. I don't really know what to say about it. Let's go ahead and try and get in here. This thing is a pain to get in. Let's see, voice crack. Let's see. Sure. Okay, so park right over here. See, oh, the parking brake is on. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off in the interior. This is the typical dash of a mid-90s, early 2000s bird, with the 3800 dash and the 90s control panel, which, from what I hear, is one of the favorites used by bus drivers. I don't know why, I don't really like it. Let's see. We've got red seats with a gray floor, and this seat kind of looks 3D compared to all the other seats that I've seen in ROR. Go ahead and open up the door for y'all. By the sounds of it, it sounds like an air-operated door. See if this stops. Nope. And we can see that it's fairly detailed. It's not the most detailed compared to Volks or something of that nature. But we do get a first aid kit up over here, and we get the Bluebird logo. So let's step out of the bus. And, well, yeah, apparently the warning lights are on. Well, that's one less thing that I have to do. In the introduction video of the 4 buses, I said that the flares were a little off, and nothing has been done about that. But, you know, this isn't a final version of the bus or anything, so, let's see. You know what, I'll go ahead and open up the doors, put on the 4-ways, and turn on the lights for y'all. Since I am on single player, I normally don't put on lights, so, let's see, there are supposed to be, fender lights up here, but there aren't, so the flares are going to have to be moved down there eventually. And I kind of like this international logo down here. It just really has the logo itself and not the words to go along with it. But, let's see, walk into here. Nope, I thought there was an engine in there, but, let's see, what does this say down here? No trespassing on the school bus. Offenders will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. Okay. And the Bluebird logo. It should be the full Bluebird logo. That would have looked better. Just in my opinion. Let's see. These side turn signals do not have the flares put on them, which is something I would like to see. I don't know why that light is showing. It shouldn't. Let's see. This back light board does not work either, which is, you know, something you can fix in the flares. But let's see. Oh, that's probably from me messing up with the bus. But the stop signs do come out. Let's see. But you may be able to see. I don't know if y'all can. Right about there, you can see that it was that it does say stop. Caution, do not move. Stop, and see something like that. And let's see, so we have LEDs, it looks like, by the ways of the flares. And like I said, this is one of my favorite buses to use, just because it is pretty much the only Bluebird 3800, or well, it is the only meshed Bluebird 3800 in the game. And it's just an interesting bus to use. I like using it. I don't know why this one is yellow and that one's black. A little weird. Let's see. This is probably also the favorite out of the four to drive. I don't know why. I just like driving this one more than the other ones. Let's go ahead and shut the door. Turn off the warning lights. I don't know why I just didn't push the button that I have installed. Let's see. Turn off these lights. Oh, I see. Okay, so that one's not red. That flare is not red, and it should be red. Let's go ahead and put on the... Let's see, put the parking brake. Let's go ahead and take it out for a spin. I know no one's gonna come here. I don't really have much to talk about. You know what? Let's do it. See how much power this thing has. Well, let's see if it can go up. There we go. Cool beans made it up. What the hey? Uh-oh. No. Looks like we may... There we go. Let's go down. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Guess this bus does have enough power to do that, which is good. Let's see, oh, it's lagging a little bit. 5 FPS, 8, 16, there we go, 15. Now we're getting back into normal FPS. Yeah, next Friday, or well, this coming up Friday, I guess, I get to skip school for my band trip. So that'll be fun. We're gonna go up to Dallas. First thing we're gonna do, we have to be at school at 6 in the morning, which will be great fun. Because, I just love waking up early in the morning. Crap, I think I took the wrong turn. But anyway, so we'll do that. We're going to leave at 7:30. So, and this is all in the morning, 7:30 in the morning. Let's see, yeah, I took the wrong turn, I guess. And then we have a long bus ride up there. So that'll be fun. So I'm going to bring some movies along and we're going to watch those on the bus. Let's see, I guess I'll need to pull my bus over since it looks like it's stuck. Come on, come on. You can do it. So maybe I need to pull that one up. There it goes. Oh no. Come on. Okay, we'll just do that. So, yeah, we're going to watch some movies on the bus. And then the first thing we do is we go and tour the Rangers baseball stadium, if I'm not mistaken. So that'll be cool. I'll try and get some videos while I'm up there of just whatever I can. And I'm definitely probably going to hopefully get some bus pictures. That didn't make any sense. Definitely probably going to hopefully be getting some pictures. Let's see, can I go through here? But anyway, I was telling my friends about most of my friends are sophomores because they're about the same age as me, because if I lived in Texas my whole life, I would be a sophomore right now. But since I was born, or I started school in Maryland, they start school a year earlier. So most of my friends are sophomores. But not to say that I don't have junior and senior friends, and freshmen too. But anyway, so I was telling them about my spring trip, my freshman year, and I told them that we did a very, very stupid thing. And that thing was, we went to this place called Amazing Jake's, and we don't have any down here around Houston, so I didn't really know what it was. Now it turns out it's just like, if y'all have a Dave & Buster's, that's what it's pretty much like, and if y'all don't have one of those, then it's basically just a Chuck E. Cheese for adults and older kids, I guess. And anyway, apparently if you get tickets or whatever, something, like you reserve a big group, you can do activities there as a group. And one of the activities they sign up for is a team building activity. And I was telling my friends this. I was like, it was extremely stupid. We sat there and we were asked to play cards and do this, and it was just stupid. I was like, come on, I'm a scout. I know team building better than a lot of people, and so I was telling them how horrible it was. And when I look at the itinerary, guess what we're doing? Oh joy, we get to do that same exact thing, which I swear I should just shoot someone for making us do that, which I'm not going to, but boy do I love that team building activity. That was terrible. Oh geez, this is a bad idea. We're still going to do it though. But anyway, so we get to do that. We get to play in the arcade after. And they also have a buffet there, which is great, because I love food. Food is good. Okay, we're going to change to manual shift, something I normally don't do very often. Because I'm not really good at it, but I actually forget how to shift the gears. Oops, that's not good. Let's see, so Q, manual shift out. No, I want manual shift auto clutch. Let's see, and is it, I'm trying to remember the different, okay, so, let's see, I'm figuring out the different gears, okay. Let's see, to go back, okay. Okay, Are y'all ready to do this? Oh, no. Well, I know how this is going to turn out. Oh, so much for that. Oh, did the bus get stuck? Oh, the bus got stuck. Let's see, change it back to automatic. How did that happen? Okay, we'll just leave it at that. So, yeah, we get to do a team building activity again. Hopefully it won't be terrible. Hopefully I'll have some friends on my team too, I guess. Oh, dear Lord, help me. Let's see, where am I going? So yeah, and then the next thing that we do is we go to the... Whoa, I didn't think that those were collidable. I guess they are. So then the next thing we do is we go back to the hotel, or we go to the hotel, and then we can go to sleep and do whatever, so... Let's see. And then we have to wake up at 5 in the morning the next day, because if you go on a field trip, you have to do something related to the club or whatever. So, so we have to do a competition for band, so we have to go there. That's first thing in the morning, and then we get to go, let's see, to Joe's Crab Shack. I've actually never had that. Is there anything good that I should get there? I'm not a big seafood person, so I'm probably just going to get like a burger or something. I was looking at the menu a few days ago because I had nothing else to do. But let's see. Then after that, we get to go shopping at a little city thing. I forget what it's called, but it's a small little city, and we get to walk around there. And there's this one place that I keep on telling my friends that we're gonna go there, you know, no matter what. Whenever you walk in to the thing, to the little city, there's a store right here, and it's 2 stories, but you can't get to the second story, I guess. And out of the window, they have a horse, just a fake horse just sitting out there. I keep on telling my friends, guys, Justin, Zach, Sam, you know, we are going to go there. I don't care what you guys say. I don't care what it is. We are going to go there, and we're going to take a picture with the horse. Because how many of you guys get to take a picture with a horse sticking out of a building? So that's pretty cool. I guess not really. But hopefully they'll have something there. Maybe a new fedora. Because last spring trip, I actually got the fedora that I currently wear. And it's been here for a year, so... and then my freshman year, I got my white fedora from a store there. They had a buy one, get one half off. I don't know why I didn't do that. It was a stupid thing on my part. But, let's see, are you going to open? There you go. But, let's see. And then, the next thing we do after that is we get on the bus and we go to a place called Medieval Times, I think it is. I don't remember what it's called, but what it is, they had one of these up in Maryland whenever I lived up there, in the big county mall, you know, those big malls, and but anyway, what it is it's like, it's got this big arena that you can go down, sit in, and watch a show, and then they basically feed you like Vikings. So that should be interesting to say the least. See how that works out, see what that is. I've never been there, so, but it looks pretty interesting. Let's see, we'll go and do a few drop-offs. And then we go back to the hotel. And then the third day, which is the last day, we get to go up to Six Flags. And then we just spend the whole day up there. and then we come back down here. So that should be pretty fun. You know, I usually have fun on those. Last year's was fun because we went to Florida and we only did one school-related thing the whole week. So, but otherwise we just messed around and did nothing. So, but hopefully it'll be kind of fun. I'll probably record a video while I'm up there. An ROR video, that is. I don't know what, but that'll be fun, hopefully. There's the stop sign. You can see the flare right there. See, ooh, a big tunnel. I want to go in there. Big tunnel. And here comes a loud truck you'll hear. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but you know, it was weird. Last night I was video chatting with someone, and out of nowhere this train horn comes out of it. It just starts blaring, and it made some weird noises. It wasn't like a normal train horn. So at first I thought it was that truck, but I was like, no, it's, you know, past the normal time that he comes. And the nearest train track is like 10 miles away from here. Okay, not even that far. It's like 5 miles. Maybe not even that. It's really close. But whenever I do hear it, it's never that loud. There's that big thing I want to go over there. But then the first thing I thought of was Texas Street Man's bus. Because last time I saw him, well, the only time I've seen him, he has a whole bunch of crazy horns on his bus. So that's immediately what I thought of. Ooh, there's some sort of bus garage. I don't know. Let's check it out. Oh, this thing. They have one of these in one of the modded North Islands servers. Or not servers, one of the modded North Island terrains. Yeah, because I was making a video on this thing is collidable and it's a pain to get in and out of. Let's see if we can do it. Yeah, I remember this. I don't know what video it was though, so if you can find it and if you want to link it, you can. There we go. Yeah, let's get in here. Can it fit in here? Sweet. Maybe I can drive through one of these. Nope, that's not happening. Nope, I didn't feel it, but I saw it. Now let's see if I can get out of here. See, we'll just force our way out of here. Maybe not, I don't know.